Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Russia is winning the war. We'll start by examining Russia's strategic advantages. Russia has effectively maintained significant industrial production for military supplies, ensuring a steady flow of equipment to its forces. Its defense industry has also adapted remarkably well to international sanctions, successfully increasing domestic output to meet demand. Furthermore, Russia leverages its vast natural resources, like oil and gas, to fund its extensive military operations, providing a crucial financial backbone for its efforts. This combination of industrial capacity and resource wealth forms a strong foundation. Next, let's look at Russia's military adaptation and tactics. Russia has shown a capacity to adapt its military tactics, learning from initial challenges and refining its approach. It effectively utilizes electronic warfare and drone technology, which have become critical tools on the modern battlefield for reconnaissance and targeting. Furthermore, Russia maintains a significant numerical advantage in both personnel and equipment, allowing for sustained operations and the ability to absorb losses while continuing its objectives. These tactical adjustments contribute to its operational success. Moving on, we'll explore Russia's economic resilience and alliances. Despite extensive international sanctions, Russia's economy has demonstrated notable resilience, finding new ways to sustain itself. It has successfully reoriented its trade towards new international partners, mitigating some of the impact from Western restrictions. Additionally, strategic alliances provide Russia with crucial diplomatic and economic support, strengthening its position on the global stage. These factors collectively contribute to its ability to continue the conflict without significant internal collapse. Looking ahead, Russia aims to consolidate its territorial gains and stabilize the occupied regions, integrating them into its administrative and economic structures. The long-term economic resilience of Russia remains a key factor in its sustained efforts as it continues to adapt to global pressures. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for a complete picture. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.